The purpose of this video is to show you how to access your lessons and to submit the lab activities for this course. Okay, first thing you do is you of course go over there and click the lessons. Now, I tend to have a common theme where the lab activity is always going to be the last thing posted right before the preview. Okay, so what you do is you come here and you download this activity. Now I suggest you save this activity to your desktop or somewhere that you commonly keep things. Okay, now with this what you're going to see is you can submit your name there, you can do all that and type things in. Every time you see this is where you will actually type your answers. So make sure that you click each one of those to actually do that. Okay? Alright, next thing, whenever you start looking at this, sometimes you're going to have these websites. You can hit the control button and you see how it pops up right there. And what this will do is this will take you directly to the website. Now on some of these websites what you're going to end up seeing is you're going to end up seeing that they have things where it's going to ask you to solve problems or do stuff like that, maybe make measurements. Well, for that you need Adobe Shockwave. Well, the thing is, the best way to open this up, as you can see, I am using Mozilla, but if you use Google Chrome I believe is the one that kind of updates it automatically. So let me see here, let me see if there's any on this activity. I don't believe there is. Okay, let me I'm going to go right to another activity that you're going to be doing later in the course, and that one is number 8 right there. Okay, so this I can guarantee you is going to be one that kind of does exactly what is going to happen to you. Alright, you're going to go to there. There it is right there. Alright, what's going to happen is you have to either have Adobe Shockwave or simply update. This is going to be the process right here. You'll see that it's installing compatibility components. And now you have Adobe Shockwave. And one of the things it allows you to do is it allows you to make these measurements and such. Okay, so this is the second lab where you're going to be calculating the rate of plate motion. So this is always one of the problems that things run into every time you've got to click to remeasure. Okay, so that's how you go about accessing your lab and kind of progressing through it, and a common problem is with this website. Okay, so after you do that, you've got your lab actually downloaded. Well, after you complete the lab, what you want to do is, of course, you want to file and then just save as, and you save it to one of the places that you want to save it. Okay, so I'm not going to save it. Here's how you go about submitting your assignments. Whenever you get to this, after you've completed the lab activity, you want to go up here and click Submit Assignment, all right, or click the assignment itself. What you're then going to do is you're going to come down here and you are going to, let me see, attach file right there. So what you end up doing is wherever you have saved that actual item, you're going to attach it to this. Of course, you will write a submission. Assignment is ready for grading. You're going to attach your file. I'll just go ahead and attach one here. TC Geology, Intro to Topographic Maps. You can see that it's attached right there, and then you click Submit. And what ends up happening is now I can open this up in the Blackboard gradebook, and I'm able to grade it all at one time. What it does is it also ends up marking that this submission has been completed, and that's what you're basically looking at. That's how you submit every assignment for all of these courses.